Alright, and welcome to another episode of Ask Stick. You know, one of the questions we ask with the dad is how do you put projects on there? And it takes a while. So only do this if like the digis are broken or you have a lot of time on your hands. Now, if at any time you get lost, there are written directions here on the wall. But of course we don't read in radio. So what you want to do, you have a project, which we usually use longer projects for dad, but I'll use this ID for example. You want to do share, and you want to send the song to iTunes. You want to do compress using an MP3 encoder. I mean, yeah. So it'll mix down. And it'll open iTunes right away.
I'm coming home.
And you'll get this. Alright. Now next, you want to select this, and you want to go to iTunes, Preferences. You want to go to Import Settings. Import using the Wave encoder, because that's what we use on the DAD. And then we press OK. And OK. And then on here, you'll want to go to Advanced, Create Wave Version. And then that sound means something. And you want to check that this is the right wave version, so you'll probably want to drag it to the desktop. Minimize that. And that's the wave version right there. And then, in order to save it onto a drive, you're going to open that Q drive right down there, and we're just going to drag it into the Q drive. It's in, and now we have to go to the outside computer. See you there! And welcome back to the outside computer. We don't use this anymore, obviously. So now we go to my computer, and we'll want to go to the Q drive, which is this one. We save this as ID end. You'll want to go down to that. It's right here. We're going to go to library, and then we're going to drag this in. And then this will pop up. Now this is a station ID, and you'll want to go to this pink sheet over here for the proper cut ID, which is what that's for. And you obviously want to use one that hasn't been used before. So we'll go to 28398. We'll change the title to, not sure what that is. We'll go to change the title to ID Stick. The artist will be my real name. Things will be revealed today.
That no one knows.
That nobody knows. And then all you have to do, save and close. And your project is on the DAD. Now to get it to play in the studio, you have to restart the DAD in there, which is just quitting out of it and bring it back open. And then you'll have a project on DAD.